Hi, Kyan. Just realised that we had been focusing on this the wrong way. Our focus has all been rationalise the denominator, but all the different ways to try that, whether you take out root x as a factor, take out x as a factor, you're still left with three terms, and it becomes more difficult to get rid of that third term, to get rid of that surd that's on the bottom that's being stubborn. So I've changed the thinking. So I just want to focus on this for a moment, and then the rest will make sense. So if instead of figuring out doing something with the bottom, I'm going to multiply the bottom by this. I'll show you what. Square root of x plus 1, I'm going to multiply that by the square root of x minus 1 and multiply the base by the same thing. Root of x plus the x plus the square root of x on the square root of x minus 1. So what we get on the top, we square the first term, so we get x, and we square the next term, so we get x minus 1 on the top, right? So on our bottom, what we get is x root of x plus square root of x root of x minus 1. So let's separate out these terms. So x root of x times root of x is x squared minus x root of x plus x root of x minus the square root of x. And what do we see? We see that those middle terms cancel out. So we get x minus 1 on x squared minus the square root of x. Let's bring back in that original part of the equation. I'm going to multiply that by x squared minus root x, inverting to multiply. They cancel out, and I'm left with x minus 1. Boom.